This is the subject today. Holyton model Ht25, and that's going to be a drone affordable. It's not bad for the size. Look, I want to show you. It's probably the same size of a 7-inch tablet, so we call that a mini drone. With this guy you can go airborne 25 meter or 82 feet. So this guy comes with the front camera in front, and you can adjust a little bit, not a lot. They said the camera, the picture is 1280 by 720. I try it, it's probably more 480p. The battery life, it's good for 11-minute airborne. The weight of this, the drone, the battery, the guard, is 56 grams. When you buy this drone, this guy here, they give the box. Let's look inside. Come with, inside the plastic. So when you receive it, you receive the drone, the guard, you receive some hélice, the remote control, the older cell phone, the user manual. They give you caution of the battery. They give you 2 cables for charge the battery, 2 battery, and those hélices for the drone. And oh, sorry, I forgot the tool when it's time to fix it. You have 2 choices. When it's time to take picture or video, you have with the remote control or with your cell phone. First thing what you need to do, you need to calibrate it. This unit comes with a start airborne or an emergency stop, so like that your drone is going to come down really fast. What you need to do, you need to go on Google Play or what kind of cell phone you have, and download Drone Planet. And after that, when you need to do, you need to go on your Wi-Fi, and after that I'm going to show you what it looks like. Et voila, you have a button for start. You press on start, and after that they're going to here, that's going to be the platform to control your drone. Here's the quality of the picture. They said this is good for 14 years old and more, but I try it and I can tell you this is very fragile. I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to ring the bell and don't forget to thumbs up. And if you want, you can always subscribe. And see you in another one.